What's up, guys? Casual Fishing here, bringing you another casual fishing review. And today, well, we got some more farm pond madness for you guys. Really assuming you guys enjoyed the last one. And once again, Sean invited me out to fish this pond. We said back in September we wanted to fish this pond in mid to late October because wanting to get on that fall bite. And well, let's just say, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but pretty epic day of fishing. Now, just gonna premise this now: the wind in this video is gonna be awful. Honestly, there may not even be audio at all for most of this video. So, in case that happens, I might have to play some music or something because it's going to be bad. So, we'll see what happens. I'm still at the place. Honestly, I'm filming the intro and outro and all that in the car because it's too windy to film outside, honestly. So, we'll see how that looks. We'll see what happens with that. So, like I said, if it's really windy, I'll play some music and I'm actually going to kind of commentate like what happened during the day. So, well, yeah, with that being said, let's roll that intro.
Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Oh god, oh god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh! That's my new TV. Oh boy. Oh my god. God. Monster bass, huge fish, huge fish.
How fast the day of fishing can change.
I'm liking this rod. Works the top water pretty well. Really throwing a Monster Bass Patriot, like a pencil walking bait. There we go. Fish on. This little guy. There you go. There we go. Look how pale he is. Alright guys, hopefully the audio is cooperating with me here. It is very windy today. We have 15 sustained, gusts up to 30, so there you go. Alright, not the biggest fish in the world, but it'll certainly break the skunk. A little frog swimming around there or something. Alright, big old toss. Alright, cool. Skunk is off, and like I was saying, that I was caught on the Monster Bass Patriot. It's like a little pencil walking bait or something. I figured it'd do really well today, guys. Obviously, as you can tell, it's very choppy today, and I figured something that can cause some commotion would do well. Let's get back out there. Hit it pretty shallow too. Oh, dude! Yeah, I something actually annihilated, dude. Top water might be the juice today. Oh, something chased up all the way up. Let's get back out there. That's a hell of a strike. Oh, something's falling it. Come on, eat it. There we go. Yeah. Come on, you're not big enough to be fighting this hard. That's a bit bigger one than the last one. Yeah, it's bigger than the last one, so we're upgrading. Oh, he was not hooked that well. I really think they're swiping at it. Like, I don't think they're really fully committing. That's fish number 2 of the day, guys. You guys probably can't hear me, but yeah, you might want to consider switching to something like a treble hook or something.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Most of them have treble hooks. Yeah, like I said, I don't really think they're really committing to it that hard. I think they're just kind of swiping at it. Yeah, the little walking bait. And also, I really think the fish are just like that erratic action that the poppers have and the pencil baits. There we go. That's a nice one. Never mind, it shrunk on me. There we go. There we go. Growing up in size. There we go. It might be 2. Hey, little rage bug. That's a nice dude. This guy's so fat. Yeah, a little rage. I was flipping his brush over here. He's not that big, but I kind of want to wait, so I'll catch you guys here in a second. All right, guys. Hopefully we have some working audio here, because it is, like I said, it is extremely windy today. But let's get away on him. I don't think he's that big, but I'm just kind of curious. Remember when I said he was 2 pounds? Yeah, I was a little off. So 163. That's not a bad fish. I mean, we're definitely going up in size. Certainly can't complain in regards to that, but yeah, good looking fall fish here, guys. I'm gonna just give him a little toss right here. All right, that's fish number 3 today. First on the old rage bug. Really hoping you guys can actually hear me. Probably don't, because we just had a nice gust of wind, but I had the wind in my back, and hopefully the audio will be decent. Not too sure what the audio for today's video is gonna be like. This video might not ever see the light of day. We'll see what happens. There you go. Oh, big fish. Big fish. Yeah, this is big. Get over here, come on. Yeah, it's big. Get over here. Oh my goodness. This might be 5. Oh my. This might be a PB. Holy crap. This might be a PB. Come over here, quick. Holy. All right, guys, moment of the truth. Is this the PB? It's gonna be damn well close. No, it's good. Hopefully you guys can even hear me. Nah, not even close.
What is it?
434.
4.3?
Yeah.
What? See your skills, brother.
Maybe. Hold on.
I got another one. Confirm it.
Maybe, not the worst idea.
Might be 4.3.
It's a little skinny, but one last look. Not saying 4, 4.43, 4.7, 4.5. I'm gonna say 4.47. All right, I'm gonna go give this guy a bit of a drink. Then I want some pictures, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
All right, Big Mama. Thank you for playing. There she goes. Oh. Got stuck in the grass? Nope, you got it. Yeah, it drops off though. You can kind of see it. Yeah, that's actually where I caught it. Wow, dude. Oh, dude, it tore my thumb up.
Yeah.
That's another one. Get up in here, Junior. Yeah, little guy. Now we're going down in size. Stop. Yeah, a little rage bug. Fish. It's a big one too. Oh, it's nice. Chatterbait, get in here. No, get away from that. Get away from that. I'd say 2.5, maybe 3. It's out in the middle, dude. I let the chatterbait sink and he ate it. Yeah, white, the wall white one. That's probably a high 2. Dude, I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger than that the way it was pulling. All right, let's get you unhooked, big guy. I was caught in the Z-Man chatterbait with a Strike King Raid Swimmer. It's a trailer. It's gonna wait. It's gonna wait. Get my back to the wind so you might actually be able to hear me. I'm gonna guess a mid and high 2. Which means it'll probably be a low 2. That's alright. See what I mean? Low 2. 213. Okay, that's not bad. 213. Nice, healthy fish right here, guys. Look how chubby. Look at the shoulders on him. It's a good fish. Alright, I'm gonna give him a bit of a toss here, so don't hate me for this. And that is fish number 6 today. Once again, that was caught on a white Z-Man chatterbait with a Strike King. Was it the Raid Swimmer? Raid Swimmer, like a little 3-inch Raid Swimmer. Got great action water. I think what happened is I kind of just let it sink and then picked it up and started reeling it, and then he was there. Yeah, right out in the middle too. Yeah. There we go. Big one? Nice. That was up shallow, dude. Really? Let's have a look at him. Let's take a gander at him. Yeah, that's a tank. You what? That's a nice one. Yeah, I got some pliers on me.
There you go, guy. You got pliers on it? Thanks. Like right in the snout. He wasn't coming off there. Hope I didn't get him in the brain.
I think the brain's a little further back than that.
It is? Okay, good.
I mean, I'm not a...
He doesn't have that big a mouth, but he's heavy, dude.
Yeah, that's gonna be at least a mid 3.
Yeah.
You should bring granola bars out here.
Yep, 3-1.
3-1.
3-1.
I think we released 3.25, but
Yeah, I thought he was gonna be like a 4 like your other one. But his mouth's a little smaller.
yeah.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah, that one's definitely silver. He got like a growth on his mouth or something. It's kind of interesting.
Oh, he does.
This doesn't help that the sun's right behind you. There you go. It's a nice fish, dude. Nice job.
Thanks, man. You got the big fish today.
Yeah. You're catching that though.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah.
I do like how the race buck is tough. Like 4 or 5 fish off one rather than one.
Yeah, for sure. That's a fish. I got a nice one on too, dude.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Not as big as I thought it was, but it's gonna be a...
What's that, you remember? 7?
Yeah, dude, he smoked it.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Oh, yeah.
That's a nice fish. Dude, we're starting to get some nice... We're not getting big fish. We're not getting a lot of fish. We're getting quantity. Like, we're getting quality, dude.
Yeah, sometimes it's better to
Oh,
get
he was
big
barely
ones.
hooked. It's good
Yeah,
fish.
He's about 2.5, I think.
Yeah, probably.
Leave mine in my pocket, too. Is that 2?
Remember I said 2.25?
2.25, yeah.
2, 3.
Yeah, 2 1/3. Yeah.
Well, now we're down to 2.22. Now it's up to 2.40.
That was the race book, too, right?
Okay, it's still on 2.40, so yeah.
2.4, right?
Yeah. That's second biggest today for me. Like I said, guys, we're not catching the quantity of last time. About broke my rod right there. But we are catching quality. All right. Not really. He's like, see, dude. He was like 15 feet out or so. So reasonably shallow, kind of near the drop off. Yeah. That's like what, 2 fish in pretty quick succession there. It's a good sign. I destroyed my chameleon, my rage bug though, damn it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's what I've noticed so far today too. Oh, that's one. There we go. Yep. That's all right. What do you got? Well, honestly, it's not even that bad. It's just we've been catching bigger ones. Let's get pliers out for this one. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Nice fish. All right, let's go back in the water. Yeah, they're healthy fall fish. Well, they look pretty good. They went in here last time too, so. So let's see here. I've got 7, you got 4, so we're at 11. All right, we're starting to get some decent numbers now. I think might have to camp the spot out for a little bit. It's like the one spot we can actually fish. That's one. Yeah. Oh, this one's fighting. This one might be big. Got some head shakes. That's probably another 2. Dude, he's rolling around like a catfish, dude. Dude, he's fat. Holy crap, dude. Look at this. Dude, this is like one of the best built fish I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. That's a fatty, dude. Looks like me after Whataburger. God, look at that look at that fish, guys. Such a well-built fish. All right. No way. I love it. Double up. That's the long skinny one.
Yeah, 2
Here, want to do a quick selfie and then so I can throw this guy back in?
Yeah. We're on him, dude.
Yeah, this nice little.
Finally, bite.
See you, dude.
Over.
Oh, that was a little sloppy. It's all right. Yeah.
Sorry, I feel bad.
Yeah, dude, we're getting on him now. Rage bug bite. Yeah, I'll give the spot a few more casts. That one right there, the one over there.
Yeah, the grass is over there. We'll go there next. How about that?
So that one right there? Yeah, might as well. Oh, yeah, I got a fish. God, he's pulling hard. It might be. Never mind. It's all right. Nah, he's still there. Just gotta get him through his grass. Oh boy, get up in here. Good thing this ain't big, because I got more grass and bass. Yeah, it's definitely. Oh, jeez, dude, I about died. Just fell off the ledge. God, more grass than bass, dude. It's so weird though. Like they're destroying the rage, but the Bonito, they're just not having it. Yeah. Oh my God, dude, it just came off. Oh, really? Like I just went like. Lucky I caught you, didn't I? All right, let's get you back in. There we go. Yeah, this is a nice one, I think. No, garlic grass. No, come on. God, dude, he lit it up, dude. Absolutely destroyed it. That's 2. Be a good one to end on. Honestly, sort of, but it was only like 20 feet off the shore. God, look at that fish. Such a healthy fish. Yeah? Got one? Is that your drag going? All right, I'm gonna have to go.
Oh, he's all the way over there. He took it all the way over there, dude.
It's not even that big.
Huh?
I mean, it's like about the size of mine.
He must have been swimming with it. Oh, it's a big one, dude.
All right, it's good. Good fish there, guys. Do you want to do another double pick or?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I think.
I've got same size, right?
Oh, that's what I keep hearing.
Fish slap.
Boom.
Yeah,
I think yours is a little longer, but mine's a little chunkier.
Yeah.
No, yours is actually a little bigger. If you gotta go, then you can go, but.
Maybe we could do a picture of both of our weights.
Another one, no, 202.
202? Mine's probably 2.5.
Yeah, I think it's 2 1/4. Dude, the way he ate it was ridiculous. I thought it was maybe a big one.
Mine and swam with it. Mine's
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
That's what I thought.
I heard your drag scream. I was like,
yeah,
oh boy.
Yeah.
All right, let's get a quick picture of this one back in the water. All right, thanks for playing, buddy. But dude, the way he ate it, dude, I thought that was gonna be a nicer one than that.
I took it. Mine was all the way over here. It ended up all the way over there. Dude.
Yeah, I mean, I heard your drag going. All right. One more cast. Yeah. Yeah, that was 13 free, so we tied last time.
What number were you on?
13.
13? I had that one over there. I think it was my 12 one. So 13.
Fish. Oh my.
That one?
Big.
Dang,
Dude, he literally ripped the rod in my hands. He's not even that big. What the crap? Oh, I lost my rage bug. Dude, that was literally the most vicious bite I've ever had in my life. That's actually probably a 3, but now that's a way to end it. God, this is probably 3. God, tank, dude. You guys see the way he ate that? About 2. All right, let's see here. I'm guessing around 3, but I'm probably wrong as usual. Yeah, I was wrong. Two, 3, 1. Yeah. All right, guys, that was fish number 14 right there. God, look at that. Beautiful fish. See ya, dude. God, he should have. I can't wait to show that to you on GoPro, dude. The way that thing, it literally took the rod in my hands. That's why I was like, oh, that's big. Well, I lost my rage bug there, so I'm gonna take that as a sign to call it a day.
So that will be all for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed another Farm Pond Madness video. Once again, I want to thank Sean for inviting me out here. You're going to go ahead and link his Instagram right here, at Sean Wolfgang. Go ahead and check out, he posts some pretty cool content. And just follow him as a thank you for letting me fish the spot. I'm really appreciative of it, Sean, if you're watching this. And hopefully this video turns out okay. I obviously have not been able to edit this yet, so we'll see how it looks. But I think it turned out pretty good. Had a super epic day of fishing. Caught 14 fish, not as many as last time, but definitely caught some better quality this time, including my third biggest fish of the year. So yeah, epic day of fishing. Once again, Sean, thank you for inviting me out. That being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys only enjoyed this point. Keep it casual, folks.